So hello everyone, this is Shreya Saj, founder and CEO of RapidXCI. Today we'll go through the different cold calling software that allow us to cold call for free and for paid from India to other nations like Australia, US, UK, Canada, and all these first world nations. So I think this video would be good for anyone living in Pakistan, Bangladesh, and all the third world countries because you could call to these first world countries and sell them your service. So yeah, first of all, I'd say cold calling is not dead. Many people think that okay, due to the rise of scams, cold calling is dead. But no, cold calling is still very, very, very much alive. And yeah, you just need to do it correctly, not overdo it. At the same time, you have to save the numbers from spam and different stuff. So I'll be going through all of that. But yeah, why should you watch this video? If you're a complete beginner with no sales knowledge, or at least you just want to start getting clients soon, like quick, fast, then for that you need to do cold calling because it's the fastest way to get someone on a call, because you could match their energy, you could be more excited, you could be more laid back and calm. So we could do all of that, and it has the most personal touch across all the different outreach platforms. You can do cold emails, you could do cold DMs, but you could cold calling, as I'd say, is the most effective platform of outreach, a form of outreach if done correctly. So today I'll walk you through the different platforms that I personally know about and have used, so that you do not end up making the same mistakes that I did. So first of all, we got Skype, we got Twilio, and we got VC. We also got Text Now. So Text Now is a free alternative, but you're gonna need to take a lot of pain to use this. But I'll go through all of this. So we got Skype. So Skype is Microsoft's platform. So like the last 4 5 months ago, Skype was available in India, but then there was a rise in scams because you know how we Indians are, from Bangalore and all those call centers. They started scamming elderly people in the US and the first world nation. So Microsoft had to withdraw its virtual phone number service, which is why now we are left with uh, you need someone from outside India to get you a Skype number, and that person should be the one paying for the Skype number. Like you cannot pay in INR to the Skype numbers and along those lines. You cannot do PayPal. You cannot do any of that stuff because again, it's just banned in India. You cannot get a number from India. So the better alternative here would be to, if you have a colleague, if you have someone that you know, your friend, your family member, maybe your cousin, he could do that for you. It's $10. I don't know. It's very cheap, being honest. Or Skype numbers. We got a whole lot of stuff here. So you could, being honest, you could easily like buy a few numbers, but it won't work. The issue is it won't simply work, which is why international calls, mobile and landline. Continue with this. Uh-huh. So I did had this, but it gives you 800 minutes. And yeah, so a good thing about this is that if you get a Skype number, you can call outside India as well. Sorry, outside USA as well. You can call to Australia, UK, and all the different nations. The issue there is that it's going to be charged additional just because of the fact that you are like you're not calling in US, which where you're supposed to, but you get a US number and you can call anywhere in all the first world nations. So yeah, it's a great one. If you would like to try it out, you could just buy this. I'm not quite sure. As per my information, this thing was discontinued. So I do not understand why are they giving me an option to buy every month. Mm-hmm. Okay, cancel as a US. So North America, we got the world plan, we got this one. If you use more than, okay, yeah, so this is like you also got like a free subscription. So it's free. So if you were to do unlimited calls, you could do this much calls until 2000 minutes expire. After that, you need to pay. So Skype is a fairly cheap alternative, and if you're willing to give it a shot, no worries, you could just grab a number and start calling. But this is not what I use, so I will not recommend this, being honest. Then we also got VC Dial. So This is the software that is used by large cold calling corporations in Bangalore and all the customer support houses, customer support BPOs and stuff like that. This is the software that those they all use. It's called VC Dial, and you can get your hands on this. The issue here is that this thing requires a lot of authorization stuff like that. It requires all sort of stuff, and it's not free. Even if it's free, it's really complicated to use, which is why I have a few friends that like own a cold calling agency kind of thing, and those guys, they have to train their employees like a month or two on this platform. It's like really complicated. At the same time, it's the best in the market, and that's why I mean these guys, VC Dialer, these guys got their own softwares and stuff, like they got their own hardware, so these guys know what they do. At the same time, it's on a bit on the expensive end, so unless you are trying to like set up your own call center, you should not be doing this. Anyways, yeah, it's a great one, being honest. So it's VC Dial. You could keep this in mind. If I were to choose something, either I'll choose Skype. You can also do text now. So the issue with text now is that it's not available in India. Use a VPN, and then after using the VPN, you might get a US number, and so there will also be an issue that your internet connection would be so goddamn low that anyone you call, it won't work. The person won't be able to hear you, or vice versa. So that's why text now is also out of the game. We got Skype, we got VC Dial. Okay, so if you're watched till here, and if you want to go ahead with Skype, you can go ahead with that. But I got a much better alternative. It is called Twilio. So Twilio is a virtual number provider, and I'll show you how this works. So this is like a Twilio console. It's like a demo. It's like a demo account. So I don't mind exposing my account SID and stuff like that. But yeah, this is, so you got to download the extension called Auto Dialer for Twilio platform. Once you download this, you will get an extension like this. It looks something like this. Yeah. So you got to put your auth ID and account token in here. Wait, what? An auth token in here as well. Client name, I'll say Shreyas. I'll just sign in. And I got this phone number. I'll select it. The CRM would be, I won't choose a CRM. Enable SMS, enable voicemail, enable XYZ. Yeah. So now here, we got it ready. It was as simple. You gotta make a Twilio account. Now, if your Twilio account is not a paid one, then you might need to spend $20 and get a paid Twilio account. But it is totally worth it, because you could get as many numbers as you want, and these credits do not expire, which is great. Anyways, under call, I'll type out a number. So it's my phone's number. I'll show you how this works. So we got to give access to our microphone, so you can talk with your desktop. Like you don't even need like a mobile phone, something like that. You could just put on a headset. So there's a reason why whenever you see people in cold call in call centers, they have this headphone and they have a mic here. That's because they're talking through their computer and not through their phone. So obviously, but today I came to know about it. So yeah, it's a pretty great realization. Anyways, the call didn't got trigger, which is weird. So we'll do it again. This time I'll use a country code. So the issue with this is that this phone number.
Thank you for using your demo account. Please upgrade to a full account to remove this message.
Mhm. Hello. 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 Apologies, but it's working. So this is how you could do the cold calling part with this. Now the best part is you could call in US, UK, Australia. You can call in all those nations for $20. So I am personally using this one for my personal cold calling needs, and I would prefer anyone who's using this to use Twilio and this auto dialer system, just because it's much more convenient than doing Skype. I might as well try Skype in the future, but for now, I'm doing pretty well with Twilio just because of the fact that if you're selling AI automation solutions, which you might be most probably, then you would need to show your clients a demo of your AI voice agent. In that case, this thing would be especially helpful because the client can directly call this number, or this number can call the client directly with the AI voice agent sitting on top. This way, your client or your prospect or your lead could have a live demo of this voice agent, and it's gonna be phenomenal. So that's why um, I I personally use the Twilio plus auto dialer combo, and you can call anywhere in the US, and you just need good quality phone numbers, which you guys would easily get. I'm pretty sure of that. But yeah, this was all. Thanks for watching. This was a short one, but I didn't want to drag this on for long. We got Twilio plus auto dialer parts. This is like the strongest combo, and I've been using this, and it's technically it's a lot cheaper. It's really free, and I've been using this one. Or you could go with Skype if you're feeling to, like, if you want to take the risk. You're not sure if a fair usage policy applies and stuff like that. And then you got VC dial, which is only recommended if you want to start your own cold calling agency. And you got text now, which is barely working. Anyways, thanks for watching. It was a great one, a short one, but I hope this was valuable. If you have any questions or queries, join my Discord. And yeah, let's just also jump on a call. If you guys have any, if you want any consultation, if you need any help, I'll be there to help you. Anyways, thanks for watching. Follow for more.